What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing kind of a how-to step-by-step how to replace side view mirror on a 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe. As you can see, it's kind of fucked up here. Dad messed it up, so. Alright, so first you want to pop this little cover off that has a speaker in it. You can just take a little flathead to it. Yo. There you go. And it's simple as just 3 bolts here. And it should come off. It's got a sensor here. Pop that out. Alright. And then this is just the speaker. I'm gonna disconnect that too. Just get out the way. There you go. So those look like 10 mils. Yep, 10s. Probably need a whoa. So this top one, it looks like you can get with just socket, but you might need wrenches to get these door panels kind of in the way. Sneak in there. Don't fall. I'm not taking this whole door panel off. Alright. If I'm not mistaken, this should just pop right off. There we go. And she is out of there. Pretty simple. Yeah, I think I know which one I'm replacing. This one, yeah. So yeah. 50 bucks, I got this. Looks exactly the same. It's got the same finish on it too, so this one's just gonna look a little newer than his driver's side, but oh well. It's got this little gasket here. Well, hold on. Does this come with a gasket? This comes with a gasket. So I'm gonna take this off actually. Pop these suckers off. So this looks like it already comes with its own hardware. I think I'll just use the stock hardware. Hey! Alright. Gonna help line this up. Get it in. Alright, hopefully that doesn't fall and break and we're in the same situation. Alright. Just got one of those started so it doesn't fall. No. Alright. This is why I wish I had ratcheting wrenches. You can wire this back up, plug it back in. Ooh. Nice. Got worried there. Hook the speaker back up. So we just got these clips. Whoa. Let's make sure all the accessories work on it. So I don't even know how he does it. Turn that off. Hey. Definitely cannot see that, but it is moving. Yeah. There we go. Works like a charm. Make sure the speaker still works. Like hell every now and again. Yeehaw! Oh yeah, that's working. Alright, so it's gonna be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped somebody out there with installing this. Pretty straightforward. Couple bolts, couple clips.